Hello everyone, today we're going to compare AutoDS and Easync, two dropshipping automation tools. So AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that automates product research, listing, order fulfillment, and pricing, providing a streamlined solution for managing e-commerce stores across multiple marketplaces. While Easync focuses on simplifying product sourcing and inventory management, offering integration with suppliers and automation features to make dropshipping more efficient, especially for small-scale operation. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for AutoDS and Easync, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about their core focus, AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping automation platform. Easync is an e-commerce automation and product sourcing tools. When it comes to product sourcing, AutoDS supports product sourcing from multiple suppliers like Amazon, AliExpress, and more. While Easync, they are primarily focused on finding suppliers for dropshipping. When it comes to listing automation, AutoDS automates product listing, price updates, and inventory management. While Easync, they offers bulk listing with easy product management tools. And for price monitoring, AutoDS have automatic price and stock updates for products, while Easync, they allows users to track price changes and update listing. Lastly, for order fulfillment, AutoDS have automatically fulfills orders using suppliers, while Easync, they streamline order processing and fulfillment option. And for the profit calculators, AutoDS have built-in profit calculators to assess product profitability, while Easync includes calculators for profit margins and expenses. For bulk products import, so AutoDS imports products in bulk from supported platforms, while Easync, they supports bulk importing in and easy product uploads. And for integration, AutoDS works with eBay, Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and more, while Easync, they are primarily focused on eBay integration with some support for Shopify. And for mobile app, AutoDS is available on iOS and Android for on-the-go management, while Easync, they have no dedicated mobile app but has mobile-friendly web access. And for the analytics reporting, so AutoDS have detailed sales and performance analytics in their platform, while Easync, they offers basic sales reporting features and insights. So yes, that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to pricing. When we talk about pre-plans, so both platforms have no pre-plan available, so you need to pay to use their features. And for the paid plans or subscription plans, AutoDS starts at $24 per month, and the pricing depends on the number of stores and features that you choose. And when it comes to Easync, they starts at $9.99 per month for basic users, and for the higher tier plans, you will have a more advanced features and pricing. And for the transaction fees, AutoDS have no additional transaction fees. Same thing with Easync. Lastly, for premium features, AutoDS, they have advanced plan offers more automation tools and product. Same thing with Easync. Their premium features included advanced supplier options. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. When it comes to ease of use, AutoDS is a feature rich and it might require a learning curve for new users. Easync is easy to use they have an easy to use interface with a straightforward setup. When it comes to speed and reliability, AutoDS is generally reliable, though advanced features may slow down the platform, while Easync, they are fast and efficient with fewer performance concerns. When it comes to scalability, AutoDS is suitable for businesses of various sizes, from single store owners to large operation. When it comes to Easync, they are primarily suited for smaller businesses and individual sellers. Lastly, for integration and customization, AutoDS have wide range of integration and customizable tools, while Easync, they have limited integration. They are focused only on eBay and a few other platforms. And yes, that's it for the performance comparison. Now let's go to customer support. When it comes to their availability, AutoDS is available email and chat support, available 24/7. Easync, on the other hand, they have email support available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. When it comes to support channels, AutoDS offers live chat, email support, and help center, while Easync, they have email support and a help section on their website. And for response time, AutoDS typically quick to respond through chat, while Easync, they are responsive, though email-only support may lead to slower resolution, of course. And for the community and resources, AutoDS offers community forums, tutorials, and webinars, while Easync, they have limited resources on community, though it has a small online help section. And yes, that's it for the customer support comparison. So now, we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's start with AutoDS. When it comes to pros, AutoDS have a comprehensive platform that automates nearly every aspect of dropshipping. They offers product sourcing, price tracking, and automated order fulfillment in one place. Lastly, they integrates with a wide variety of platforms including eBay, Shopify, and WooCommerce. When it comes to cons, AutoDS pricing can be higher for businesses with multiple stores or those needing advanced features. And it may require a learning curve due to the feature-rich nature of the platform. And lastly, some users report the mobile app lacks the full functionality of the desktop version. So yes, that's it for the AutoDS pros and cons. Now let's go to Easync pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Easync is an easy to use and straightforward platform, making it ideal for smaller businesses or new dropshippers. They have a lower cost compared to more comprehensive solutions, offering an affordable entry point. And lastly, they have efficient bulk product listing and price tracking tools for eBay sellers. So yes, that's it for the cons. When it comes to And yes, that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Easync have limited integration compared to platforms like AutoDS, focusing mainly on eBay. And they lack advanced automation features such as an auto fulfillment, which some users may find essential. And they have a less robust in terms of analytics and reporting tools, which may limit business insights. So yes, that's it for the Easync pros and cons. Now we're done with the pros and cons comparison. Now let's go to which platform is the best for you, and let's start by discussing who should choose AutoDS. And when it comes to AutoDS, it is referable for someone who runs a multi-platform of dropshipping businesses and needs extensive automation tools, someone who wants an all-in-one solution for product sourcing, listing management, and order fulfillment, someone who's looking to scale their business with the help of advanced analytics and reporting tools, and lastly, someone who needs 24/7 support and values having a wide range of integration, especially with Shopify and WooCommerce. So if you have all of these qualities, AutoDS is the choice for you. For the people who should choose Easync, Easync is referable for someone who is just starting out in the dropshipping space and primarily selling on eBay. And someone who prefers a simpler platform that doesn't overwhelm with too many features. Someone who's looking for a cost-effective solution to help with basic product sourcing and listing management. And someone who doesn't need advanced automation but values ease of use and quick setup. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Easync is the choice for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms serves the dropshipping community but cater to different needs. AutoDS is a powerful all-in-one solution ideal for businesses looking to scale across multiple platforms with advanced automation tools. Easync, on the other hand, is a more streamlined, affordable option for sellers who primarily focus on eBay and don't require the full suite of features like AutoDS offers. So, depending on your business size and needs, either platform can help you succeed in dropshipping. So, if you're ready to supercharge your dropshipping business, give AutoDS a try for comprehensive automation. Or if you're just starting, Easync is a great, simple solution to help you grow. So yes, that's it. So with that being said, the comparison is over. And I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.